Good evening, welcome to BTPS. Yesterday we discussed questions on slice operator, right? So today also we will continue with the same. So slice operator was included in data types department, so we completed the 12th question over here. We completed the 12th question over here, right? Till 12th. Write a program to represent the use with one argument without second and second without first and then third argument slice operator. Okay, so we completed till 12th one. So the 13th question is, should we use end of argument in slice operator or end plus 1? Okay, 13th question is, should we use end for the argument in slice operator or end plus 1? Okay, so let's solve this question or find an answer for that. So we discussed this 12th question, right? Yesterday till third argument. We completed all of them. So today the question is, what is the question? Should we use end in slice operator or end plus 1? Okay, so whatever the argument we provide in the end parameter, the slice operator takes what? End minus 1, right? So if we want to, if our string is of size 3 and we want all the 3 characters to come in our output, so we have to give 4 as the end because 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, if we give 3 over there, then what we are going to get? We are going to get 3 minus 1, that is 2. So let's run and check. Let's take a string of s equal input enter a string. Okay, so we are going to take an input, right? So let's save it first. It's going to be d13.py. d13.py. So now what we have to do is we have to check end, then end plus 1. So s of 0 colon, let this be a string of length 5. Length equal, we provide 4 here, what we are going to get? Print s. So what we are going to get over here? Let's run and check. This is d13.py. Enter a string of length 5. So length 5 string is, what is of length 5? varg. It is length of 5, right? So we are getting varg only. Okay, why is that? Because we provided 4 as the end. Okay, so what it will going to get is, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this is v is 0 1 2 3. So we're getting up to 3 and 4th is omitted, right? So if we want to provide 5 over here, what we are going to get? We are going to get full string VARGA. What we got is VARGA. So what is the answer of this question is, if we want to get full string, we should provide end equal end minus end plus 1. Sorry, 1. Okay, understood? Going up to the next question. What is the next question? 13th we completed, right? So 14th is, can we use greater parameter than smaller in slice operator? So what we have to do is, can we use greater parameter than smaller in slice operator? So let's solve this one. Can we use greater parameter after smaller? This is the question, right? What is the question? Can we use greater parameter and then smaller parameter in slice operator? Okay, D14 dot py. Cool. So let's take a string s equal. We are going to take a string of string. Okay, so we got what? String as a in s variable. So what we have to do is print off. You have to check that we can use greater parameter before smaller. So let's provide this one, 8 colon. So we have 8 like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 6. Okay. So 6 to 0. Cool. So can we do this? Can we? Let's run and check. CLS D14, right? Nothing. We got nothing as output. Right. We got nothing as output. So nothing was selected. Right. We didn't get error too. So let's provide negative jump -1. Let's see what we are going to get. GNIRT. We are getting this. Why S is omitted? Okay, we are starting from 6 and 0 is omitted. 0 minus 1 is -1. So it has to be -1 over here. So if we want full string in backward direction, we are going to provide -1. Cool. So if we provide CLS, then D14 dot py. We got nothing. Why? Okay, let's provide it up to 0. We got it right before. GNIRT. Why are we not getting S? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total length is 6. 6 to 0 is minus 1. So it has to be like this, right? 5 to minus 1. Let's see. Oh, we got nothing. So if we provide negative, and we can't provide negative and positive together, so we can provide up to 0. If we don't provide anything here, we are going to get this. We are going to get full. Okay. Okay. So we can use greater parameter after smaller 2. First we can use greater, then smaller using negative 1. If we are providing positive jump, we cannot provide that. We cannot provide greater parameter before smaller one. Okay. So let's test it for negative ones. So minus 1 colon minus 5. This is valid or invalid? This is valid or invalid? Is this valid or invalid? Let's run and check. We got nothing, right? Why didn't we? Because see, minus 1 is greater or minus 5 is greater? Obviously minus 1 is greater. So if we provide negative jump, then see what we are going to get. Minus 1. We are providing what? Minus 1, right? Let's see what we are going to get. Nothing. Probably. G and IR. See. So what is happening is, it's starting from minus 1. It's starting from minus 1 G. Then minus 1, it's minus 2. So N, then I, then R till minus 5, because it's minus 6. Should be minus 6, right? So it's minus 5, then it will go up to minus 4 till minus 4, right? So that's why it's getting up to 4 characters we are getting, and in the negative direction, because we are providing jump in negative, so we're getting it from negative direction. And G is minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So we are getting up to R over here. Okay, clear? So let's move on the next question. What is the next question? We completed till 14th one, right? So 15th question is, write a program to get characters on even indexes. Write a program to get characters on even indexes. Okay. So what is even indexes? Let's take an example and then solve this question. So write a program to get what? To get characters on even indexes. To get characters from even indexes. Okay. Indexes, it should be indexes. Okay. So let's save it first. It is d15.py. So let's take an example. We took example of whom? Yesterday? Van Rossum, right? So today also Van Rossum. So name is the variable equal when Rosum. Rosum. Okay, we are getting when Rosum in variable name. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to get the characters only on even indexes. So let's make this into a array first in the paint, then it will be easy to understand. Okay, so let's take an array, then we have to divide it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we will add more if we want. So let's write it first. So it is B, then A, then N, then it's underscore, then R, then let's expand it first. Okay, R, then O, then S, then S, then A, then M, right? Let's divide them to this is the thing, and let's index them to. So indexing, it is 0 1, this is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is last one 9. Okay, so which one starts from even? N, right? So we have to provide starting index as 2. Okay, so you're going to provide starting index as 2. So print of s 2 colon up to what we have to get? Up to 9, right? So we should provide 10 right over there, because it's n plus 1, then we are going to get n minus 1, that is up to 9. Okay, so from 2 to 9, right? Then we have 2 plus 2, so this increment should be 2 of 2 2, right? 2 plus 2, then 4, so we have to increment up to 2, so jump is going to be plus 2. Let's run and check. cls d15.py when Rosam s is not defined. Okay, we have name as a variable. cls and rasa, so n, then r, then s, then a. Let's check what we have on even indexes. Let's provide negative indexing, right? So what is going to happen is this is minus 10, then minus 9, then minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, then starting from minus 1. Fine. Correct, right? This is correct, right? Then let's provide the negative indexing. We have to start from -2 because 2 is even, right? 2 is even, so 2 up to -10. -10 or -11, what it should be. -2 or -11, what should we provide? We should provide over here -11, right? Then provide -2. -2 is going to +4. Let's run and check and then test it. It's going to be what? CLS. We got AS and NB. Okay. Let's check it here. What we have? What we have is, we are starting from -2, then we got A, then -4, then that is S, then -6, that is R, then -8, that is N, then -10, that is V. So we got every character on even indexes only from slice operator, using slice operator. Any doubts? Okay, it's fine. Let's continue with the odd ones also. Let's get the characters only on odd indexes. Okay, so we did even one, so let's change it to odd. Then starting from -3, right? 1 is not even or odd. What is 1? Nothing, right? So starting from 3. -3 to -11. Then we are going to jump to -2, right? So -3, then -5. Suppose that. Yeah? We are going to increment of 2, right? And -11 is the end. It's always going to be the end because it's of length 10. So -3, from starting from -3 and incrementing up to 2 indexes, we are going to get all the characters on odd indexes. Okay, all the characters on odd indexes. Fine. So let's run and check. Okay, CLS D of 16, D16. No, it's D15, right? SOA. So let's check it into the paint one. So what is the paint? So we are starting from -3, so we are getting S. Okay, then we are getting -3 to -5. -5 is O. Then -7 has underscore. We are getting underscore. Then -9. It is A. So we are getting A. Okay, any doubts? Let's do it into positive indexing, right? So let's complete it into positive indexing. So we have to change everything into positive. And this is going to be up to 10 because it starts from 0, right? And -1 starts from -1. Okay. So CLS D15.py OSM underscore OSM. So what is the paint? So we have 3, starting from 3, this is underscore. Then we have 5 with O. Then 7 is S. Then 9 is N. So we are getting underscore, then O, then S, then M. Fine. Any doubts? So what was the next question? 15th was to get characters on even indexes. We did that up to. And 16 was write a program to get characters on odd indexes. We did complete that one too. Okay. So can we use greater parameter than smaller in slice operator in negative? We completed that one too, right? Before one. In 14th one we did pass negative ones. Okay. Because -1 is greater than -5, so we are not going to get anything. Right? So let's move on to up to 18th one. Write a program to get reverse of string using slice operator. Right? Write a program to get reverse of string using slice operator. Okay. Let's save it. D80 dot py. So 18th is complete. So what we have to do is reverse a string. So let's take a string name equal string. Then we have to reverse it, right? So we are going to print name of, by default what we have 0 as start index, and it takes us until it reads the data. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to jump from right to left. Okay, so jumping decides the direction of the data we are going to read. So if we provide +1, by default it is +1. So if we don't provide anything, it is going to start from left to right. If we provide -1, it is going to start from right to left. Okay. Okay, any doubts? So let's run and check. CLS. Okay, D16, right? Okay, D18. CLS. D18.py. So we're getting the reverse of string. We're getting reverse of string. Okay. Any doubts? We can do this also by providing the start, and we don't have to provide any end. Okay, because if we provide the end, we are going to get half of it, and if we provide -1, we cannot provide both positive and negative in slice operator as start and end. If we provide positive start, then we have to end with positive end only. We cannot provide negative. Okay, any doubts? So if no doubts, we are going to end it up here, and we will continue with the rest of the questions tomorrow. Okay, so thank you all of you. Have a nice day.